Meaning of equivocal.
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 Equivocal. Equivocal means something is ambiguous or has multiple interpretations. It can also refer to a situation that is uncertain or undecided. In other words, when something is equivocal, it is not clear or definitive. For example, if someone gives an equivocal answer to a question, they may be avoiding giving a direct response. Overall, the term equivocal is used to describe situations where there is a lack of clarity or certainty, leaving room for different possibilities or explanations.